up, everyone? This is Tony with JRNYcrypto. This is going to be a quick crypto news and market update. We do have Bitcoin down around 5% right now in the 35,000s. We do have a lot of people expecting a pretty bloody weekend as well, with Bitcoin testing the low 30,000s, even the high 20,000s. So we're going to go over some bad news as well as some news that's more huge steps towards mass adoption, and discuss some other important things going on in the markets as well. So before we get started, I do appreciate if you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I make new crypto videos. Alright guys, so before we jump into the crypto markets and discuss possibilities moving forward and why a lot of people are expecting a bloody weekend, I do want to quickly thank TrustSwap for sponsoring this video. So I highly recommend you guys watch through this. I'm going to be creating a coin using the new Mint platform by TrustSwap. You can create a cryptocurrency with unique features that's pre-audited in minutes using this, and this has huge benefits to swap stakers as well. So quick disclaimer, this cryptocurrency is just a test. This is not a real cryptocurrency that I'm making. I do not have any plans currently to create my own cryptocurrency, even though I'm getting a lot of requests for this, maybe in the future at some point. So we're going to press create coin here, and I already have my MetaMask wallet connected. So just some basic information, I'm going to be using the Ethereum blockchain. You can switch this to the Binance Smart Chain or AVAX and other blockchains in the future like Cardano. Token name, I'm going to call it Bullish, and then for the symbol, I'm going to call it Bull, 18 decimals, and then test coin on the Mint platform as the description here, and I'm going to quickly add an image. Alright, so I have an image added. I'm going to press continue. This is going to ask me how many coins in the initial supply here. I'm just going to say 1 million. And then there is a 1% fee that goes to the TrustSwap platform and then stakers of swap. So that is a big benefit to swap stakers, which if a lot of people or projects actually start launching using the Mint platform, that's going to be great for stakers, incentivizing more people to hold the swap token. So press continue here. And you're going to have to sign this using your MetaMask wallet. So after that transaction goes through, it'll take you to this dashboard where you can view your crypto. You can check it out on Etherscan and download the audit report. And there will be more plugins and other blockchains in the future as well. You can also do smart locks where your tokens are locked for a certain amount of time. So TrustSwap is definitely a great project to have on your radar. Now that the Mint platform is live, stakers of swap tokens are going to be earning pieces of all these new cryptocurrencies launched on the platform. So that'll definitely be interesting, and that'll help demand for the swap token. Keep in mind, this is not financial advice. It is a project I'm personally invested in and staking as well. So the platform definitely has high potential. Even through a bear market, they're going to continue building. Jeff, the CEO of TrustSwap, recently posted they acquired the crypto app, which has 1.9 million downloads, and that they have other blockchain projects asking to be acquired as well. So definitely more apps, and the ecosystem for TrustSwap is going to continue growing. All right, guys, so jumping into the crypto markets, we have Bitcoin hovering around $36,000. A lot of fear in the markets because of the upcoming death cross. Altcoins, of course, following Bitcoin again. A lot of people expecting a very bloody weekend as well. So we did have a lot of FUD over the last couple weeks. There is a lot of money waiting on the sidelines, waiting to see where the markets are headed. And like I said, we do need to see Bitcoin in the crypto space on a steady incline for at least a few weeks before people are really confident that the bull market isn't over yet. So of course, that's a possibility, entering a temporary bear market. If we do, I don't think it's going to be an extended 3-year bear market though, again, until the next Bitcoin halving. So we have lots of bad news in the crypto space over the past couple weeks, and lots of discussion of the bear market. Everyone is in panic in general. We also have some speculation on Tether USDT. There was a great video about this made by CoffeeZilla called Exposing Tether, Bitcoin's Biggest Secret. I definitely recommend you guys check this out, going into great detail on the team behind Tether and how this could be fraudulent and fall apart. If that did happen, it could be catastrophic for the crypto space, throwing it into a bear market. So something to be aware of, but of course, this has been in consideration for the last couple years. If it ever does fall apart, we don't know exactly when that's going to happen. It could happen next bull market. So don't get me wrong, I'm still very bullish on cryptos in the long term, and I do think crypto is bullish for end of year still as well. I do see Bitcoin passing $100,000. Of course, that's just my personal opinion. Anything can really happen, like I've been saying. Regulations, tax laws, countries banning Bitcoin, all of these things are happening right now. But we do have a lot of great stuff happening as well, like countries making Bitcoin legal tender, major institutions buying billions of of dollars worth of Bitcoin. So all kinds of things here. There's definitely major uncertainty in the space right now, which is why there's so much money on the sidelines. $62 billion in Tether alone. So a quick heads up to Bored Ape NFT holders from the Bored Ape Yacht Club before we jump into the crypto news. Introducing the Bored Ape Kennel Club. So the Bored Ape Kennel Club is made up of 10,000 club dog NFTs. They're not for sale, but for free to claim. You just pay the gas fee. Any royalties they accrue on secondary sales will be donated to charity, which by the sounds of it, they're going to be using to rescue dogs. So definitely pretty awesome. If you do hold one of these Bored Apes NFTs, you will get one of these dog NFTs for free now. I did hear people are already buying these for over 0.5 ETH. They will be revealed, I believe, in the next week, and you do have to go to the website to claim it here. So I will put a link to this in the video description, or you can head over to the Bored Ape Yacht Club Twitter page. All right, guys, so jumping into the crypto news, definitely some huge stuff today. Venture capital makes a record $17 billion bet on the crypto world. So $10 billion of this was to Bullish Global, which is the new exchange that's coming out in 2021 by the company Block One, which is the company behind the crypto EOS as well, which we did talk about in yesterday's video. So I'm still holding EOS. I do see high potential with this, especially with such big names behind it and so much money behind it as well. So definitely interesting to see what comes. Next was Ledger, then BlockFi, Paxos, and others. So market wrap, Bitcoin drops ahead of looming death cross. This is what the general panic in the space is from over the past week. So Bitcoin's death cross could increase selling pressure into the weekend, which is why many people are expecting a bloody weekend, with Bitcoin testing the low 30,000s, possibly even entering the 20,000s, which a lot of people have been saying we do need to hit the mid 20,000s and to hit that spring really back into the bull market. So anything can really happen. We're really at the mercy of the manipulators here. It doesn't matter what technical analysis you have and what signal is showing it's a buy or a sell. Really big money pushes this in the direction they want. So we'll see how this plays out over the weekend. If Bitcoin does drop again to the low 30,000s, I'll personally be taking that as a opportunity to further accumulate, and I will continue accumulating because I do have a very long-term stance on cryptocurrencies, and I never buy peak prices, and I never go all in at once, no matter how bullish I am on an altcoin or cryptocurrency. So specifically, I'm really looking to buy altcoins. I believe in long-term when Bitcoin does crash, if it does. Because when Bitcoin does crash 5 to 10%, we do see altcoins crashing 15 to 25% generally, and that is a great opportunity in my opinion. Bitcoin really dragging down some of these altcoins that do have very high potential and major blockchain upgrades coming. So bulls hesitate to buy the dip after Bitcoin price falls to 35,000. We're already seeing some volatility with the upcoming death cross on the weekend, and I do believe this volatility is going to continue. So death cross may happen in a few days. Be ready. Strong bearish signal warning for traders. A lot of people are talking about this. Of course, this in itself, the panic in this, is going to create more panic in the markets and more selling pressure, which may actually make this play out. So I wouldn't be surprised to see the high 20,000s if that does happen. So the Ethereum London hard fork set to go live on testnet starting June 24th, coming up very quickly here. It is scheduled for the London hard fork to launch in July. Hopefully that's on time. If that does have another delay, that's going to be bad for the price of Ethereum. But we do have a lot of blockchain upgrades coming end of year, like the Gogan mainnet for Cardano, as well as Taproot for Bitcoin. So lots of major things happening. We still have Visa, MasterCard, and PayPal, and possibly Apple looking to do crypto merchant payments, as well as other crypto services. So it's going to be very interesting once this Ethereum London hard fork does launch, because the Ethereum gas fees have actually already reduced a lot with a lot of the general demand leaving the crypto space after the market crash. I just paid a Uniswap gas fee of only around $5, which is the lowest I paid I believe since the end of 2020. So this is supposed to make Ethereum deflationary, as well as reduce those gas fees, among other benefits for the Ethereum blockchain. So massive upgrades coming to all these blockchains, which will bring lots of demand. Another huge step towards mass adoption here. Goldman Sachs ramps up Bitcoin trading in new partnership with Mike Novogratz's Galaxy Digital. So pretty huge. One of the big players here, Goldman Sachs, getting into cryptocurrency with Bitcoin trading futures. The bank has been begun trading Bitcoin futures with Galaxy Digital, the crypto investment firm founded by Mike Novogratz. As more banks allow clients to trade Bitcoin, the depth and breadth of the market improves, which ultimately should lower Bitcoin's famous volatility, according to Galaxy Digital co-president. So this is a great sign. Definitely we're going to be seeing this continuing, especially since this is happening even while the markets are down. Like I've been saying, the fundamentals continue rising even while the prices fluctuate, which is why you need to have that good entry and exit strategy and have a good strategy in general. And if you are here for the short term, you should have even more so have a strategy planned out. Those that are here long term, they're not subject to the manipulation of the markets, and holding long term has always proven profitable for Bitcoin and Ethereum holders. So definitely huge stuff happening. Another article here I do want to discuss with NFTs. A lot of people claiming NFTs are dead, but we keep getting record sales. So Digital Land and Decentralized sells for $913,000 to a virtual property developer. So in-game NFTs and items and stuff are picking up and becoming more popular. I do think this is the future of gaming, where games will use cryptocurrencies as well as use NFTs for items and such to really give real world value to in-game items. Definitely some of the first games that are popular that do this are going to explode, and people are going to make so much money off this. I really think this is going to make it possible for a lot more people to make a living from gaming as well. So we also had record sales from Bored Ape Yacht Club as well as CryptoPunks. One of them selling for over $11 million, just insane. So that's it for today's crypto news and market update. I would appreciate if you guys comment below. Let me know your thoughts on the markets, where you see it headed over the weekend. How low do you think we're going to drop if you do think that's going to happen? Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.